Oh my goodness, it is here. So excited. I have never heard of these Schuyler Bibles before. My cousin is the one who put me onto it. And when I saw it, I was like, girl, why is this so much? She's like, well, just compare it to Sephora and drugstore makeup. I was like, all right, I got you. So for a guy, it would be what? Old Spice and Dove. So I guess that's the difference. If you want that high quality, that is what you're paying for, which this is the Schuyler Quentel ESV full Yapp Sandstone Calfskin Bible. It did come in very well packaged, and I was surprised of how fast it came. And that was including that I got mine engraved, and on the website it asked for just 2 extra days. So it came in pretty quickly, I think 4 days. So honestly, the leather is so beautiful. I've never felt leather like this. The crosses, the detail, gorgeous. My name, when the Lord saved me. Oh, this Bible is so, so special. Look at the gold. It's gorgeous. And that is why it is called the flap, the full flap, because the leather hangs over. I wish you could just put your hand in the screen and just feel it because it's so beautiful. So very carefully, I'm going to put my name, and then I'm going to put my baby daddy, my second one, ex-husband, his name. He was very sweet and paid for most of the Bible. I mean, I did put in some. So, but he was very nice. I kept going around the house being, y'all want to fund me my Bible? Everybody just pitch in so I can get my Bible. And he was like, here, just get it. It's for a good cause. So I'm like, yes, it is. So it was very nice of him, but it's so beautiful. It comes with 3 ribbons. Look at the detail on this, the numbers, like the letter, like so gorgeous. The gold trimming around the Bible. I mean, this is a luxury Bible. I had no idea they even made these type of Bibles. Now going towards the back of the Bible, we have the weights and measures. I do not know what that is. The concordance. Oh, and it comes with a 1 blank page. And then I think 3 pages that are lined. And then, of course, you have the Bible maps. This Bible is luxury. That is what you're paying for. This is the ESV version. I am so excited because I've upgraded the first year that I was reading my Bible. I was an NLT, and I have now advanced, to the ESV. So excited about that. And I have found, because I read the NLT and just it really clicked, that now the ESV is so much easier to read than it was before. So yes, this Bible is so beautiful. It is so worth it. Towards the back, you have, I think, again, 3 pages that are a little thicker, which is good. I like that they give you that extra space to write and do, especially if you're a writer or whatever. But oh my gosh, the pages are so beautiful. They're so soft. I had no idea the pages could be so, so soft. I mean, it truly just feels like silk. It's so beautiful. I love what this part says. Each Bible has been shown special care and is therefore unique. So I feel like this Bible is made just for me, which I absolutely love. You guys will not be disappointed in this Bible at all. I know I said gorgeous and beautiful a lot, but it really is. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Anyways, bye.